Welcome. This meditation gives you some time out and it connects you to your breath whilst releasing shoulder and neck tension. Sit comfortably with an elongated spine, lifting up out of your hips, and neck is long. Settle your eyes behind closed lids. It is normal for the brain to generate thoughts. You can support yourself to keep them to a minimum by internally looking downwards. Whenever you become distracted, gently guide yourself back to focusing on your breath and following my voice. Become aware of your breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe down into your belly if you can. This is known as abdominal breathing. Take your time to lengthen your breath into abdominal breathing. Breathing into your belly will support you to release any holding on. Notice how your body moves with your breathing. Now give your upper body a little wiggle in the chair, whilst taking a few conscious breaths. Wiggle your shoulders around, front to back, back to front. Shoulders move up and around in any direction that feels good for you. All the while remembering to breathe. You can stop and relax. With your next in-breath, slowly roll your shoulders forwards, then up to your ears, and with your out-breath, drop them back and down, like two weights, one on either side. Do that again, rotating your shoulders forwards, up, back and down. Notice the opening that has happened across the front of your chest and how much easier it is to breathe fully. Now bring your attention to your neck. And on your next inhale, just slowly let your head drop forwards until your chin touches your chest. Remember to take your breath slowly down to your belly and slowly exhale. Continue this relaxed breathing whilst enjoying this lovely stretch. Letting go through the back of your neck. When you are ready, lift your head up very slowly. Now with an in-breath, let your head drop to the left very slowly. And make sure that your right shoulder stays down and back. Remember, you don't want to hunch up your shoulders. You want to keep them relaxed so that you can enjoy a full stretch on the right side of your neck. Breathing, let your head drop. You can put your left hand on the right side of your head to support the stretch, but go easy and gently. Focused on your neck, shoulders down, breathing. You're here in the moment, completely present to the right side of your neck and how it is feeling. One more in-breath, and on the out-breath, slowly lift your head upright. Once here, take another slow, deep abdominal breath. Now you will repeat the process on the other side. On the in-breath, let your head drop to the right, very slowly. And make sure that your left shoulder stays down and back. Remember, you don't want to hunch up your shoulders. You want to keep them relaxed so that you can enjoy a full stretch on the left side of your neck. Breathing, let your head drop. You can also put your right hand on the left side of your head to support the stretch. Go easy and gently. Focus on the stretch in your neck. Shoulders down, breathing. You're here in the moment, completely present to the left side of your neck and how it is feeling. One more in-breath, and on the out-breath, slowly lift your head upright. Once here, take another slow, deep abdominal breath. Wiggle your body gently. Wiggle your shoulders gently. Nod your head gently front and back and side to side. Take another long, deep, conscious breath in. Pause and breathe out, contracting the belly towards your spine. Return to your own natural breathing rhythm. Check in with your posture. Make sure you are seated upright with your shoulders down and back, a soft jaw, long neck, and your head is balanced evenly. A great follow-on from this meditation is Breathe Calmly Stillness Meditation. The link is on your screen. For more guided meditations, please click like. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.